Alright guys, I have a 2004 Pontiac Montanac, and the issue is that there is no power steering. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Now, I have to give considerable force in order to turn it, which means that there is no power steering. Check engine light is on, but that's not going to be related to this. Airbag light is on. Not worried about those. Customer complaint is just that there's no power steering. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to verify that and see what we find. So now we're just going to go ahead. We're going to take off the cap for the power steering. And from what I can see, there's nothing in there. So from what I can see, the reservoir is actually completely empty, and there seems to be a lot of residue around it. So somebody was in here and probably added, or maybe a previous repair was done. So what we're going to do now is just go and see what we can find. So I start to lift it, and the first thing I notice, so I think we found where our leak's coming from. There we go. So it's due to a previous repair. Now what's it repaired here? I have no idea, but I'm gonna go check the history and we'll see. So as you guys can see, that was the repaired line. Now from what I can tell, we'll probably just be taking and flaring the ends of the line and adding the hose over that flare, and that should fix the issue. Give you guys a reason on why this guy was leaking in the first place. Let's see if I can get that for you guys. Don't ask why it was leaking. The guy had it right at the tip, and as you can tell, it's not really round, so there you go. So there's the repaired line with the flare. Just put the clamp back on, the hose, and it's not leaking. So like I said, very easy to fix, and it's a mistake that could have been avoided. Putting a flare on the line isn't necessary, but for me it's just a way to make sure that my jobs do not come back to the shop and I'm not wasting an hour or 45 minutes repairing a job that took me an hour 45 minutes to do in the first place. So flare, me personally, if you guys have a metal line that is a return line, not a high pressure line, only on return lines, take, flare them, and put your hoses on, and you guys will be good to go. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and have yourself a good evening.